Hello, I'm back with a tiny haul from Peachy and Pipstcks Pro Sticker Club, the petite. So let me show you the Peachy. This is set right here, and it's fancy pants designs, and it's honeybee. And these are the little ephemera you get in here, which it reminds me of summer, which I'm loving. This whole week I was sick, so I had this for a whole week already, but I couldn't make any videos because my allergies were killing me. This is another ephemera from Honeybee. This one has 54. And I love the little girl, half a body with the baskets of flowers. So these are 54, the other one was 23. And then the puffy stickers, there's 37 of them in here. Sorry for the glare. They remind me of the stickers from Joann's last year, or 2 years ago. And then it came with these puffy alpha foam stickers. There's 156 in here. So a Z is missing. Nope. Didn't notice that a Z was missing. And then this is the paper, and it's a 6x8 paper, and it's 60 pounds, and there's 24 sheets in here, and there's 6 double-sided designs. Let me just open it really quick to show you. Design, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of each page. So that's the front, this is the back, and then this is the back of that one, and that's the front of that one. This is the back of that one, the front of that one. So you get it in blue and in pink. The back of that one, and then you get some colored bumblebees, which they're pretty. That's the back, that's the front. Then you get the honeycomb, and then the flowers. You get 4. Looks like each page. Yep, 4 of each page. So that was Peachy cheap. And then this is my Pipstcks Pro Sticker Club, the petite one. Came with this book. It says Your Guide to Sticker Revolution, and I think it's coming from Canada. And then it gives you little behind the scenes information, and then the colors she picked. So let me show you each one. There's a stickers of my love language. So this is the first one. They are like stamps, which is nice. second one is like keys and gems. The next one is a swan and some flowers. Sorry for the glare. And then this one reminds me of, is it Beauty and the Beast? And then this one is a long one, and it has cuckoo clocks and birds. This one has envelopes. This one are like peacocks. And that is it for the Pipstcks monthly kit. And then I just picked up one thing from Heidi Swapp from the monthly kits that I do get. I didn't show you, but I just picked up these stamped sleeves. And that is it for my little tiny haul this week. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are not a subscriber, I sure would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out in future videos. Thank you so much and have a good night. Bye-bye.